Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today is another cleaning vlog, another cleaning motivational video. Here I am beginning with showing the entrance of my house. So since this is Kartika Masam, we put diyas in the evening. So I have shown that. Now I'm going to show you the state of my house. It's quite dirty, which I'm going to clean in this video and show so that it gives you motivation as well. I have to be honest, my house gets dirty around the working days, and I am not much concerned on how neat my house is during my working hours or my working week, where my concentration is morely focused just on cooking and my housework. And cleaning somehow takes the least priority in the working week. So here in this video I'm going to show how I have arranged my whole house and put away things that are lying around and are present where they shouldn't be present. So this is my work desk where random things are placed, so I'll be cleaning this out. And this bedroom is having an attached balcony, so we have deep cleaned even the windows, which I will show you in the video. And this is the state of my kitchen. I know it is pretty bad, but that is how it is. Sometimes we do get into other priorities that cleaning does take a step back in our lives. So this is one such video. And first I'm going to start loading my dishwasher. So almost took two loads to in a 12 setting dishwasher to clean all these dishes which were lying around for more than 36 hours. So please stick with me while I show you and motivate you to clean.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out?
So now that the dishes are being done in the dishwasher, me and my husband work on cleaning the hall, where we first begin to dust the sofa and arrange the sofa covers again. We are also simultaneously running the washing machine load. So one load has already been washed and ready for me to dry out, which I'm going to do now. And this is the drying rack that I have taken from dmart. So I'm going to quickly dry the clothes here and put them outside my house for drying, and the remaining loads I'm going to dry them out in my balconies. Next, I'm going to use this clean as you go concept, where I'm going to take a big garbage bag and collect all the waste that needs to be thrown out. Next, I would like to talk about this robotic vacuum cleaner that I have purchased in the Dasara offer from Flipkart. I will do a detailed video on this review in my upcoming videos. But this is definitely being handy since the day we have purchased, where it cleans under the furniture, which is very difficult for us to do in a deep clean session. So this is my little helper that helps me clean the house while I go and arrange things around. And finally, with all the cleaning done with the help of my robotic vacuum cleaner, then the last thing that's pending is just mopping the house and arranging the furniture in its place. final look of my house, always I try to end or conclude my cleaning session by lighting some scented candles and aroma diffusers. So you can see I've arranged some aroma diffusers in every corner of my house that gives a good smell to the area I live in. Hope you liked my video, and even if it has motivated you by 1%, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.